By the late 16th century, the Julian calendar was out of sync with the seasons. With an average length of 365.25 days, it is in fact 100th of a day longer than a true solar year. After centuries, these 100th of a days had added up to days, and the solar calendar was in fact 10 days off. Pope Gregory, representing the Catholic Church, instituted a calendar reform, adding essentially one rule to the Julian calendar, that you would skip the leap year in century years unless divisible by 400. With this extra rule, the calendar now very closely approximates the solar year, and this calendar will be good enough for us to use for thousands of years to come. Non-Catholic countries, the Protestant countries of England and America in particular, did not adopt the Catholic calendar for another 100 years, by which time their calendars were 11 days off. Essentially, in one swoop, the governments of the United States and Britain lost 11 days, going directly 1 year from April 11th to April 1st. Benjamin Franklin wrote in Poor Richard's Almanac to reassure people about the loss of the 11 days. The French, a Catholic country, decided to mock the Americans by creating April Fool's Day to mark the day that the British and the Americans finally adopted the Gregorian calendar. Have calendars never been sensible or rational? At the time of the French Revolution, for 12 years, the French instituted a decimal calendar, with 12 30-day months, not named after pagan gods, 5 festival days, a leap year, a week divided into 10 days, the day into 10 hours, each hour into 100 minutes, and each minute 100 seconds. The world's only decimal calendar. But because no other culture would follow this calendar, it was dropped by Napoleon after only 12 years.